Making $10,000 a month in trading is the goal that grabs attention. It's the goal that everyone wants to achieve. But let's be clear here, it's not a quick and easy path. And you see, many traders get caught up in the idea that fast profits and financial freedom just clicks like this. But the reality is that it doesn't do that, and trading success requires not only discipline, but the right strategy and patience. And that's why I'm making this video, so you will have a clear path to $10,000 or more in trading profits each month and be living like this in a villa in Greece, traveling with your boys, literally doing whatever the fuck you want. So without me talking anymore, let me explain the 10k a month route. So here it is, the $10,000 a month route, right? The number that everyone wants to achieve in trading. But how do we achieve that? Well, we use and take advantage of prop firms right here. Prop firms, prop capital, right? So before we get into the fun stuff right here, where we actually make on how to actually make $10,000 a month, well, we're gonna list out some pros and some cons before we get started. So you have to keep these in mind before buying any challenges. So pro number one is that you get access to larger capital, right? It speaks for itself. It's prop firms. You can literally throw in $300 or $400 for a $100,000 trading account. It's absolutely crazy, right? So there's no really personal financial risk on the line, and there's minimal capital barrier to entry. Oh, it's fucking windy here in Greece. But anyways, some cons, however, is that there are strict and hidden rules within these prop firms, right? What do I mean by that? So, for example, in Alpha Capital prop firm, I know that they have a rule that you can't, your profits have to be more than a 2 minutes on average trade length. If it's less than 2 minutes on average trade length, you're not getting a payout. It's absolutely crazy. And if you didn't know this rule, you would have probably blown your account, definitely if you're a scalper, right? If you take trades within these 2 minutes on average, right? So that's strict and hidden rules. You keep in mind, you have to read these rules on the prop firms, on their website and whatnot, and just keep this in mind, right? Second one is limited flexibility. So especially if you're trading news, you can't do that. You have to close down all your positions 2 minutes before news, and you can only open it 2 minutes after news. So red folder news, right? Red impact news. Limited flexibility. And this third one is that there is no long-term security in prop firms. What? It's fucking windy here in Greece. My fucking Red Bulls are flying all over. Ugh. Okay, so third one is no long-term security. You don't know if the prop firm is gonna shut down tomorrow, next week, or next month, or if it's gonna be up forever. Like, you have no clue, right? Prop firms can literally just take your money, fucking shut down, and do whatever they fucking want. Like, it's legal. It's fucking crazy, right? But that's the pros and cons that you have to keep in mind. So now, how do we actually make $10,000 a month, right? So we start off by buying a 200k challenge. So we get into phase one, and obviously, do not buy a fucking challenge if you're not profitable yet. If you're not profitable, and if you haven't proven yourself that you're profitable on demo, go and do that before buying a challenge. Otherwise, you're gonna blow it 100%, 99.9%, right? So some rules that I recommend you follow is that maximum 1 trade a day, no matter the outcome. If it's a win, loss, or break even, just follow it, bro. It will make everything easier and more profitable. And take A+ setups only. Don't be greedy and follow your playbook. If you don't have a playbook or strategy, if you don't have a playbook, go download mine. It's literally free, or download someone else. It doesn't matter. It's free, right? And don't be greedy. There's always going to be new moves tomorrow. There's going to be new opportunities, more volume maybe. Like, all markets are always going to be there, right? So don't be greedy. Don't take stupid trades and only take A+ setups only. And that goes to say that you have to be patient, disciplined, don't overtrade, and journal all your trades. Funny enough, I also have a journal that you can literally download for free, automated as well. But anyways, keep in mind that these rules literally will keep you profitable. They will keep you from not blowing these accounts, right? So after that, what do we do? Well, we start by risking 2% per trade. So on 200k, that's $4,000, right? And profit target is 8%, so that's 16,000. You only need to make 4 hours, right? You need to make, why? Well, because 2% times 8, 8 divided by 2, that's 4, right? Makes sense? So 4 hours, you can literally do that in a couple of months, not maybe even 1 month, right? 4 hours are very doable in a couple of months. So let's say you make average 2 hours a month. That's very, very doable for any trader that's profitable. That's literally 2 months, and you're through to phase 2. So congrats, bro. Congrats, you're now at phase 2. You've beaten the 99% of traders. You're now at phase 2, and you just have to not blow the account. This phase is much easier than the phase 1, obviously, because you only have a 4% profit target now, so you only need to make $8,000 on the 200k challenge, and you just still risk 2%, risk 4k, and you only need to make 2 Rs. You can literally make 2 Rs within a couple of weeks. It's crazy, right? So let's just round it up. So phase 1 is gonna take you 1 to 2 months. So let's just say 2 months, for example. Phase 2 is gonna take you 1 month. So within 3 months, you are funded with 200k capital, right? 3 fucking months, 1 quarter. It's absolutely crazy. And your job now that you're funded, is literally just don't blow the fucking account. Do not blow it, bro. So if you have to de-risk to be able to keep this account, do that, but still follow these rules, right? Maximum 1 trade a day, A+ setups only, do not be greedy, follow your playbook, be patient, be disciplined, don't overtrade, and journal all your trades. By journaling, you also keep yourself accountable, you keep yourself disciplined, right? So if you don't have a playbook or journal, join the Discord. It's literally free. I'm not plugging it. I'm trying not to plug it as much, but it's literally free. You can download it if you want to, right? Now that you are funded with $200,000, don't fucking blow the account. Still risk 2% per trade, right? So it's 4k, and obviously you don't have any profit target now. The sky is the limit. You can make unlimited amount of money, right? So yeah, you only need to make 3 Rs a month. That's very, very doable for any trader. Any profitable trader can make 3 Rs a month, right? So that's $12,000, 3 times 4, that's $12,000, right? Very well doable. And after a profit split, well, congrats, you just made $10,000 a month. Now, your job is literally just to not fuck it up, like I said before, and just do whatever you've done in all these phases. So phase 1, phase 2, now you're funded, right? Congrats, you just made 3 Rs, you made $12,000. After profit split, you made $10,000. Well, congrats, you have beaten 99.99% of traders. Now, just keep doing what works. Keep trading maximum 1 trade a day, A+ setups only, don't be greedy, follow your playbook, be patient, be disciplined, don't overtrade, and journal all your trades. Now, the funny thing comes. Now the funny thing happens, right? Once you've made this $10,000 a month, you can literally start to scale. Scale. Just scale, bro. You can literally buy challenges, or I recommend that you buy challenges with 20% of the profits. So let's say you make 10k, you buy new challenges with 2k of the profits, and you deposit 80% of those 10k, so that's 8k, into profits, into live capital. Live capital, because live capital are long-term and prop firms are not long-term. There's no security in prop firms, like I said in the beginning, right? So deposit 80% of your profit into live capital on a live broker, and now the sky's literally the limit. Go download a trade copier. It's like fucking $10 a month or whatever. And please only copy trade with the same broker that you're trading. Not only you're funded, but you're trading with the challenges and you're trading with live capital. Because if you're not copy trading with the same broker, you're gonna have different prices, you're gonna have different slippage, you're gonna have different spreads, and everything is just gonna be like all over, right? I've done this before and I do not recommend it. I only recommend that you trade with the same broker if you're using a trade copier. But yeah. So 20% of your profits into new challenges while trade copying from your funded account, right? So let's say that your funded account is your master account. So you trade copy from that funded account to your live account and to more challenges. So 2 accounts, you have 2 slave accounts that's linked up to a 200k challenge. So now the fun part begins. You can literally stack up and scale up your live capital while trading the funded account, while using the 20% of the profits to buy more challenges. But yeah, as I said before, only trade with the same broker that you trade live account with funded and challenges, because prices, slippages, spreads, just gonna be all over the place. Trust me, bro. That's literally it. That's literally the route to $10,000 or more a month using prop firms. It's absolutely crazy what you can achieve in forex or day trading or futures trading, right? So that's literally it for this video. That's the route for 10k a month. If you liked it, leave a comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and join my free Discord for the free playbook and free journal. And I will see you guys in the next video.